This is the report you'll see once the script is finished running. And this is the action plan. It's a summarize of all three tops, which is 1 gram, 2 gram, 3 gram, which is 1 gram equals 1 word, 2 gram, 2 words, 3 words, guess how many words. And so what this script checks is it looks at the search term data for given period of time in the settings. First, it finds the phrases that spends the most money without leads or conversions or sales. Those are possible negative keywords. And second, it finds the phrases that hit your CPA or ROAS target. Those are possible scale opportunities. Also shows you the status, actually, what to scale, what to add as a negative keyword. You'll see more statuses like info intent or wrong intent, weak ad copy, Windows shoppers, poor landing page experience, or expensive converting traffic. The reason why you have all different status, because sometimes you need to wait more data, sometimes you need to implement more tests, so it'll help you to understand what's happening. All right, so number one step is to create a spreadsheet URL and use your Gmail account that is connected to Google Ads account. So it has to be the same one. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. It's created, copy spreadsheet URL. And now this is the script that I will attach to this video. You can actually paste it here, or you can paste it in the Google Ads. So I do it right now here. Then I copy the whole thing. So now you need to go to Google Ads, click Tools, Bulk Actions, and Scripts. Once you see this, click plus button, New Script. All right, so let's delete everything and paste the script. All right, so this is the script. Now let me go over all the settings because it'll help you to understand what's happening here. The main one here is spreadsheet URL. Since I already pasted it during the previous step, I don't need to do it one more time. But what I found here, actually, I missed one quote, and it's important because when I was pasting my URL, I accidentally deleted the one quote, and that's gonna be the error. If you don't have the quotes, it'll error out. So, and also make sure this one is here too. And if in case if some errors happening, I'll show you how exactly to fix them. Actually, you don't need to fix anything yourself. You'll fix it with a Claude. Also, I left all the comments here in case if you have questions or you're not sure about something. So read the comments. 30 days works for most accounts, but if you spend like $5,000 per day, so use 7 or 14. So the more you spend, the less the value here. Lag days is self-explanatory. It's a conversion window. All these filters exist just to help you if you'd like to customize it, and based on your account. So it's kind of universal script. Campaign type. So I use for search. If you'd like to use Performance Max, I would suggest you to create a different spreadsheet URL and use it just for Performance Max, so you don't have both search and PMax together. Click run without preview. It will show you authorize again. So if you click it in the beginning, eventually you'll have to click it for the second time because it won't disappear. So here, click select all, continue. Most likely it will show you the error, so it's expected. Just click run without preview again, and you're golden. So that's it. That's the settings are there. And now, in case if you have any errors or something doesn't work, all you need to do is click on the logs. First, copy the whole script, then paste it into Claude, copy all the logs here and paste it into Claude again and say my script doesn't work. This is the logs, help me to fix it. and it will return back the script. So you copy paste it again to the Google Ads and it will work just fine. So this is how you can fix it in case something doesn't work. Before I'll show you the script, let me go over again about how it search for patterns. I'm using Nike shoes as an example. And so this is, let's find 1 gram or one word that appears in 3 search terms that we see here: size, then we get the size again. So this is one word. Nike as well, shoes, so that's all one words. And what else we have here? So 2 words is Nike shoes, Nike shoes. So this is how it search for patterns. So now let's go and see what actually it found. So it created 4 different tabs. So the first one is keywords. I don't want to show it because it's an active account. But for example, this one, this keyword shows CPA 58 and it has 11 conversions. It shows unprofitable because it's a 58, almost $60. But in my settings, I was mentioning $40 is my target CPA, so that's why it shows you that it's unprofitable. But 2 gram and 3 gram tabs, I use them a lot because they have 2 words, which is much easier to find new keywords. And for example, these 2 words generated CPA 23. So what I'm gonna do next, I'll try to find more keywords with those 2 words. Just an example, I'll go to Google Planner, Keyword Planner, and type those 2 words and see if I can find more keywords that I can target. So that's how I would use that. And this is the full workflow. The script pulls the search term data, send it to Google Sheet, and then create analysis. It assign different status to different words, so you can see which one is a great candidate for scaling, which one is great candidate for negative keyword list, and it'll show you a lot of different signals that it's impossible to spot, especially when you work with a lot of data.